guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get necessities for your pets in Heartopia. So go to the pet store and you're going to go to this section. Go to the pet shop. You're able to purchase their foods, costumes, pet supplies, and some other tools and like an automatic feeder here, but some of them you need to reach a certain level to unlock the items. And yeah, this is where you can basically purchase like their outfits and foods and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.